Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. So today I'll be showing you how to make my delicious warm pot pasta. And mind you, this is not the absolute best way to make pasta, but it can be time saving, and with my method I guarantee you would like it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Into your pan I want you to add your spaghetti, onions, garlic, cherry tomatoes, habanero, scotch bonnet, and your strip of bell peppers. And sometimes I do saute my garlic and onions before adding into my pan, just for that rich flavor. And of course, we'll go ahead to introduce our fresh herbs, which would be the basil, thyme, and bay leaf. And feel free to swap if you don't have all of this. And now we introduce our dry spices, which is about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of oregano, cayenne, nutmeg, paprika, and salt and seasoning. Guys, that's all the spices you would need. And now let's go ahead to add our vegetable oil, the cooking wine, and the chicken broth just right above the pasta. And you can also add more water or more chicken broth if you deem fit while it's cooking, guys. Please do not drown your pasta in too much water. It's going to get soggy. And now we added the coconut cream, which gives it that decadent feel that I love with pasta. And of course, I want you to stir all the ingredients together and cook for about 13 to 17 minutes. And of course, please also check in between if you need more water or broth, if you need more spices, and also to check if it's burning. Just be aware of what's going on with your pasta within that time frame. And of course, take out the stock from the fresh thyme and bay leaves because I don't like it there, but if you want it there, that's up to you. And now I go ahead to add my 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter for that buttery feel in my pasta, and garnish with cherry tomatoes, fresh thyme, and sage. Guys, look at that. Just look at that pasta sitting so beautiful. It is beautiful. It is moist and all that flavor. Now this is time to get out your seared salmon or seared chicken from the oven and top on top of the pasta and enjoy. It is amazing. I hope you get to try it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.